New Zealand, or the land of the long white cloud, is a country familiar to most in the UK, even if they haven't visited it. This is probably because of the connection New Zealand has with the United Kingdom through the British Empire. It was in 1840 that New Zealand became the latest colony for the British Empire. 106 years later, New Zealand gained independence. Many British people can claim a link with New Zealand on their family tree, and vice versa. This is through immigration or emigration. Now, I always get these two terms muddled up. Immigration is entering a foreign country to live. Immigration is leaving a country to live in another. Immigration was encouraged by legislation, and this legislation favoured European immigrants rather than any other nationality, and therefore most immigrants were British and Irish. This, after all, was a British colony in 1840. People were attracted to various jobs, the main ones being labourers, agriculturalists, craftsmen and domestic servants. So if we come to immigration records to start with, most of these records are held in Wellington, the capital of New Zealand. Other regional centres such as Auckland, Dunedin do hold records, but Wellington is your best bet. Coming up now is a website link which you will need to perhaps pause the video and copy down. I hope you have a lot of luck with searching for your New Zealand ancestors, and like me, you find some connections with New Zealand.